2022 Acura ILX. Starting at $27,545. Highs. Roomy front seat area, handsome styling, cheaper than most premium brand rivals. Lows. Snug rear seat space, tepid driving dynamics, lacks several expected standard features. Verdict. Not only is the ILX upstaged by rivals in its segment, it's also outclassed by its own corporate cousin, the 2022 Honda Civic. Overview. At first glance, the 2022 Acura ILX looks like a luxury sedan bargain, as it wears a premium exterior styling treatment and an attractive starting price. Look closer though and you'll notice that the smallest Acura sedan is merely a reskin previous generation Honda Civic with a less desirable standard features list. Its infotainment is woefully out of date, and it lacks the sporty driving dynamics we expect in this class. Its 2.4-liter four-cylinder is at least fuel efficient, and its ride is smooth and agreeable. But if you're looking for something that will truly impress your neighbors and friends, more modern small luxury cars such as the Audi A3, the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe, and the Mercedes-Benz A-Class are all worth spending extra to purchase. Otherwise, the all-new 2022 Honda Civic offers better bang for the same amount of bucks. What's new for 2022? Acura's smallest model rolls into the new year with no changes. Watch for an updated version of the ILX based on the all-new Honda Civic to debut for 2023. Pricing and which one to buy. Base. $27,545. Premium. $29,545. Premium a-spec. $31,545. Technology a-spec. $33,445. The 2022 ILX is one of the best deals among subcompact luxury sedans. We think that value is optimized with the optional premium package, which adds leather upholstery, upgraded infotainment features, and more driver assists. The a-spec package may give the illusion of enhanced performance, but the kit only supplies superficial improvements that aren't worth the dough. Engine, transmission, and performance. The sole powertrain is a 201 HP four-cylinder with front-wheel drive mated to a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. The engine revs easily, and although the ILX isn't the quickest car in its class, its character makes us pine for the VTEC-powered Honda and Acura sedans from years gone by. Handling is poised and confident, but not particularly memorable. Road and wind noise permeate the cabin here more than in rivals such as the Audi A3 or the Mercedes-Benz A-Class, especially at highway speeds. Still, the smallest Acura sedan has excellent brake pedal feedback. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The ILX earns fuel economy ratings of 24 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway, competitive with front-wheel drive versions of the A3 and A-Class. Over our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, the ILX delivered exactly what its window sticker said it would, 34 mpg. For more information about the ILX's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As with other cars in this segment, the Acura ILX's cabin is roomy for the driver and the front seat passenger but cramped for those in the rear. Standard equipment is plentiful and includes a sunroof, heated sport seats with power adjustments for the driver, and dual-zone automatic climate control. However, the dashboard design looks outdated compared with the slick-looking screens that adorn the dash of the A-Class. While its interior cubby storage is nowhere near as useful as inside the Civic, the ILX has a large trunk that belies the sedan's subcompact classification. Infotainment and connectivity. Surprisingly, a touchscreen infotainment system isn't standard on the base model, but all other trims come with an 8.0-inch unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. While Acura's dual-screen setup can be operated via physical knobs and buttons, the system's outdated graphics and lack of intuitive menus make it obsolete compared with more contemporary rivals. Safety and driver assistance features. Overall Safety Rating, NHTSA. The ILX has a host of standard driver assistance technology such as adaptive cruise control and more. For more information about the ILX's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. Standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. Available blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Acura covers the ILX with an excellent limited and powertrain warranty, but the luxury automaker doesn't provide the complimentary scheduled maintenance that some rivals do. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 6 years or 70,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.